Day number 18, 30-day crypto.com challenge. Let's do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. This is the Captain spreadsheet, the 30-day challenge. But you know what? I was looking at this morning, Joel Embiid, and you see right there, the crypto.com logo on his fantastic performance that day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now we're going to go ahead and buy crypto.com for the 18th straight day. Thank you so much for being with me. And this has been a journey because we see something special in the future with this. Now we're going to go through COINBASE.com, and don't forget, click on the link below and join the COINBASE.com family. Get an account, Coinbase Pro, COINBASE.com, and even Coinbase Wallet. So let's go ahead and get some right now. Now let's see the price first. The price is 62 cents. So it's down. No, it's about the same for it was yesterday. What should we do? So we're going to do $50 worth. So we're going to get $50 worth of crypto.com coins. And remember, our goal is to get 4,000. So thank you for being with me. Who's with me? Yes. So we type in 77 there. We almost there. We almost at 4,000, and we still have all these days left to hit to our goal, because that was our goal to get there. So let's do $48.01 is actually the amount of crypto.com that we're being paid towards. The fees is only $1.99, which is great, and 62 cents. It looks like that's what we're going to be doing. There we go. 62 cents, get 18th day. And then what we'll do is we'll change the buying price today. Actually, it's the same price yesterday, 62 cents. But let's change the date. So we'll change the date, December 8th. So the average buying price is 70 cents. This is going to be interesting in the next 3 or 4 months what this buying price is going to be. We're going to come back to this spreadsheet in January and February, like once a month, just to see where all this will transpire. So we're going to come back to this every month, in the first 3 months, every month, January, February, March, just to kind of see at least. So we're going to pick out a date and do a review. And also I want you to do a review as well. Now we're a negative $298, $298 in terms of profit. Actually, it's no profit. We're in the red right now, but we feel like we'll be in the green in the future. So we've changed all this, $35.12, the crypto.com amount, and the fees is only $55.29, and the crypto.com amount paid $24.30.50. And we're excited about it. It's going to be amazing. This guy had an amazing day, Joel Embiid for the Philadelphia 76ers. We see that crypto.com logo right there. And I'm excited for tomorrow as well when we do day number 19. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. The captain is speaking. I'm excited. Let me go ahead and buy this. Let me go ahead and buy this and confirm to this. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video, which will be Thursday, December 9th, 2021.